returners. Super excited to get my hair done. Today we're going to be going in with a little twist if you haven't noticed or peeked from my thumbnail. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe down below if you are new here. And to my returning viewers, thank you for tuning in to another video by Creations by Lisi. I will be leaving the links and the person who did my hair in the description box down below. So please be sure to check that out after the video. She's a Christian, so if you are looking for a hairstylist that is a Christian that you can vibe with and talk to about anything, definitely check her out. She's really helped my hair get back to its healthiest state. Like I said, I'll leave the details down below, but without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. Let's get it. Melting it. No, literally. Give it new girl who this. OQ Hair did a phenomenal job with constructing this wig. So thanks again, OQ Hair. It's giving what it needs to give. Like, oh my goodness, I am in love. And it's a perfect time because it is too cold out here. Listen, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and comment down below what you think of this install, and let me know in the comment section if you'll try a style like this. I will see you guys in my next video.